Hello everyone. Let's learn how to calculate the distance between the 2 points using the distance formula. If the point is A x1 y1 and B x2 y2, we can calculate the distance between the points or the length of AB by using the formula which you can see on the board. So let's take some example. Suppose if we have a question, find the distance between -6, 2 and 8, 3. We have to use the distance formula. For that, we have to consider one point as x1, y1 and the other point as x2, y2. Now we will use the formula. We'll write on here distance is equals to, and we will substitute the values here within the formula. So it says y2 here is 3, minus y1, we'll put minus, y1 is 2 and its whole square, plus x2 here is 8, minus x1 is -6. So if we have negative outside and also the number inside is negative, we have to always put a bracket and whole square, which is equals to, if I'll solve this, we'll get here 3 minus 2 is 1 whole square plus, here we have to first open the bracket. So 8 negative into negative is positive plus 6 whole square, which is equals to square root of 1, because 1 square is 1, plus 14 square, which is equals to square root of 1. 14 square is 196 and we'll get it equals to square root of 197. And if you will calculate the square root of 197, you will get 14.035, which can be approximately equals to 14.04 when we will round off the value. Let's take another set of example where the points are -9, -9, and the other point is 3, -20. Now we will take the first point as x1, y1 and the second point as x2, y2. We will substitute the values in the formula. We'll write down here distance is equals to square root of, the value of y2 is -20. We write on that. The value of y1 is -9. We'll put the bracket, write on the negative value inside it and whole square, plus x2 is 3 minus x1 is again negative. We'll write on -9 inside the bracket and whole square, which is equals to square root of bracket -20. Now this negative and negative will multiply. We'll get here plus 9 whole square plus 3. Negative into negative is again positive. We'll write down plus 9 whole square, which is equals to square root of. Now -20 plus 9 is -11 whole square plus 3 plus 9 is 12 whole square. Now when we take the square of a negative number, we always get a positive number because -11 square is equals to -11 into -11. So negative into negative is positive and we'll get 11 into 11 equals to 121. We'll write down here 121 plus 144. We'll get is equals to 265 is equals to, the square root of 265 is equals to 16.278, which is approximately equals to 16.28. Now in this question, we have to calculate what is the length of AB, which is a line segment where they have already given us the points A and B. So we have to use the same distance formula to calculate the length of AB. For that, we will consider point A as x1, y1 and point B as x2, y2. And then we will apply the same formula. So we'll write down here AB is equals to, you can write on AB or you can write on length of AB is equals to square root of, the value of y2 is -10 minus the value of y1 is negative. So we'll put the bracket -2 and then whole square plus x2 is 3 minus value of x1 is -9. We'll write down -9. We'll put the bracket and whole square, which is equals to square root of -10. Negative into negative is positive, plus 2 whole square plus 3. Negative into negative is plus 9 whole square. We'll get here is equals to, now -10 plus 2 is -8 whole square, and 3 plus 9 is 12 whole square. I already told you that the value of the square of a negative number is always a positive number. So it would be 64 plus 144, which is equals to square root of 208, which is equals to 14.42. So I hope you understand how to use the distance formula if the line segment is given to you or the 2 points are given to you. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share my videos with your friends and the family. Thanks for watching.